Is your bathroom cabinet filled with lotions and potions bought after watching a 30-second video? It's a very modern problem, isn't it? In 2025, the world of beauty is spinning faster than ever, with trends appearing and disappearing in the blink of an eye, all thanks to platforms like TikTok. These viral tips promise the world, from perfect skin overnight to luscious locks in a single wash. But here's the thing, and it's an important one. Many of these quick fixes are built on little more than clever marketing and wishful thinking. This essay is here to be a calm voice in the storm, to look at what really works and what is frankly a bit of a fib. We're going to pull back the curtain on some of the most popular trends making the rounds this year. It is easy to get swept up in the excitement, to see someone with flawless skin and think, I must have whatever they're using. So let's get into it, shall we? First on our list is the endlessly tempting glass skin serum. You have seen the videos, I'm sure. Someone with a face so impossibly smooth and dewy, it looks like it has been carved from polished crystal. The claim is that a few drops of a special serum, often packed with fancy-sounding ingredients, like multimolecular peptides, proprietary ceramide complexes, can bestow this ethereal glow upon you in a matter of days. These products promise to erase texture, shrink pores to nothing, give you a reflective shine that could guide ships to harbour. It sounds absolutely marvellous, but it also sounds a bit too good to be true, doesn't it? Let's look at the science of it all. Ingredients like peptides and ceramides are genuinely beneficial for the skin. Peptides are little messengers that can encourage your skin to produce more collagen, helping with firmness and elasticity over time. Ceramides are lipids that are a crucial part of your skin's natural barrier. They help retain moisture and keep irritants out. A healthy, well-hydrated skin barrier will indeed look smoother and more radiant. However, the key phrase here is over time. No single serum can magically restructure your skin overnight to create a glass effect. That look is often the result of good lighting filters and a long-term multi-step routine. A dermatologist we spoke to put it plainly. Next, let's talk about our heads. The scalp detox trend has exploded. Countless videos of people slathering concoctions on their roots. Harsh, grainy scrubs, baking soda pastes, undiluted apple cider vinegar rinses. Creators claim these DIYs will obliterate product buildup, eliminate dandruff, unclog follicles, make your hair grow faster and thicker. The idea of giving your scalp a deep clean sounds logical, almost refreshing, but many methods are far too aggressive for delicate scalp skin. Science says otherwise. Scalp to our delicate ecosystem with a specific pH balance, plus a natural oil layer, the acid mantle, that protects against bacteria and moisture loss. Alkaline substances like baking soda disrupt pH and strip protective oils. Result, scalp feels tight, dry, irritated, then overproduces oil to compensate. Abrasive scrubs can create micro tears, leading to inflammation and infection. It's a vicious cycle. A leading trichologist warns, treating your scalp like a dirty countertop you need to scrub is a fundamental mistake.
And now for the lips, the subject of our third and final trend, the instant lip plump hack. Videos across the internet are showcasing seemingly ingenious ways to get a fuller pout in seconds without a needle in sight. These methods often involve a small suction-based tool that looks a bit like a bottle cap, or applying irritating substances directly to the lips. Common culprits in these DIY recipes include cinnamon, cayenne pepper, or even hot pepper extract mixed into a gloss. The videos show lips looking visibly swollen and red, creating a temporarily plumper appearance that gets a lot of views. Let's be very clear about how this works. This isn't magic, it's trauma. The plumping effect is nothing more than a mild inflammatory response. The suction devices work by pulling blood into the capillaries of your lips, causing them to swell. It's essentially a controlled, localized bruise. Similarly, spices like cinnamon and pepper are irritants. When applied to the delicate skin of your lips, they cause a rush of blood to the area, resulting in temporary swelling and redness. If you desire fuller-looking lips without the risk, there are far safer and more sensible options. Start with basic care. Keep your lips well hydrated with a quality lip balm containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid.
In a world saturated with information, learning to be your own fact-checker is the most valuable beauty skill you can possess. The TikTok algorithm is designed for engagement, not accuracy, so it's up to us to separate the helpful advice from the harmful hype. Many viral trends rely on dazzling visuals and impressive sounding but ultimately meaningless buzzwords. You'll hear terms like biofermented quantum activated without any real scientific backing. Does the video or product mention any peer-reviewed studies? Be wary of studies funded and conducted by the brand itself. An independent clinical trial in a reputable dermatology journal holds far more weight. Also look for transparency. A trustworthy brand will show its full ingredient list and active concentrations. Vague claims like contains a powerful peptide blend are less helpful than contains 5% matrixyl 3000. Ask yourself a few simple questions when you encounter a new trend. Has a qualified expert like a dermatologist or a cosmetic chemist weighed in on this? So after our little journey through the maze of 2025's TikTok beauty trends, it seems the old saying holds true. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen every single day. The best course of action is always to consult a dermatologist. A medical professional can provide an accurate diagnosis and create a treatment plan that is tailored specifically to you, which is something no algorithm or influencer can ever do. Hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 the year we choose sense over sensation.